use it. For all the new viewers who haven't subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel, like the video, and if you have found it very helpful, share with your other friends and family members. So today in this video I am going to tell you about the password managers, how you can easily keep in touch with all your password without memorizing it. You don't need to memorize any kind of password for any website, for any app or any login websites where you have to enter your credentials, username and password. You don't need to memorize it. So it's a very fruitful video that I am going to share with you. I will show you all step-by-step details of all the videos in this video and how you can perform it. So it's very easy to learn. So let's get started. The first thing, you have to go through your Google account. Just log into your Google account, okay, and then you have to come to the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome and go to the Chrome store, chromegoogle.com. Here you have to search the extension. This is a Google Chrome extension. You have to search here LastPass. Sorry. In this, when you enter the LastPass, there are a lot of the extensions are available, but the best one is the LastPass free password manager app extension. This is an extension that you can use. So you have to click on it and just go to here, add to Chrome, click on it. There is a pop-up option, just click on add extension. So now the extension will be added into your Google Chrome browser. So here you can see the extension link is getting downloaded into your system. Once it's downloading, you can go to your extension page, go to your Google Chrome settings, click here more tools. This one is the extension option, click on it. Once it's downloaded and integrated into your system, then you can see this extension here. Just hold for a second until it's get downloaded. I will stop it. Yes, now we have installed the extension. You can see here the LastPass password manager is installed and automatically it opens this screen. Okay, so here you can see the screen is there. So here you have to set your master password for this LastPass application. So for the first time you have to create an account. Click on it, just enter your account details, email ID, whatever the email you want to use for it, just enter your email ID and click on create account. Here you have to enter your password, and this is the details for the password, how you have to, which kind of password you can create. 12 character long, one number, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter. So it should not be your email. So I will create my own password. So you have to enter it twice, in the first box and the second box. Here you can enter any optional remarks or reminder kind of thing which reminds you your password, so you cannot forget it. So this is only the one password or username and password that you have to remember, and let's get it work for you. So he will remind all the password that you will use in all websites, apps, anywhere. So you just need to memorize or remember only LastPass password. This one is your master password and nothing else you have to memorize. Just click on it. After entering the password, click on it, unlock my vault. It will create an account for you. So LastPass account will be created. So here we go. So now I have to click on login. First time it will take a little bit time. Once you will use it, after setting up your first time username and password, then it will be quick and fast. Here you can see our password, our LastPass account is created and it's our dashboard. Now I will show you how it will memorize our password. So let's go to any website. Like I want to go to facebook.com. I will click on it, Facebook login. Here I can see, so for the first time when I will use my username and password, let me show you. First time you have to enter your password, email, username and password. As long as you will click on it, login, the LastPass will ask you to memorize the username and password for you. So next time you cannot. So here you can see add to LastPass. So I will say yes, add. Click on add. Let's go back. I will log out. So here you can see, now I don't need to memorize my password. I will click here as I remove it. So you can see here, I will click on it. This is the LastPass logo is coming. So I will click on it and it will show me the LastPass password manager that I have already saved my Facebook username and password with my LastPass account. So I will just click on it and it will fill my account for Facebook. So just I will click on login and my account will be logged in. So in the same process you can use it for all the websites, all the applications where you have to put your username and your password for application, for any kind of purpose. First time you have to enter, or once you create your account at any website, as long as you log into that website, the LastPass will ask you to memorize it for you, to add it into LastPass. So similarly, the pop-up option will be appearing at the top right side. So you just have to click on add button and the LastPass will add your username password for the specific website. Same like as I have done here for the Facebook. Okay, so this is the process. So here I can show you my LastPass vault. Here you can see my facebook.com account is being added into my LastPass account. So here if I log out, I click on it right side and log out. Once I log out, then I cannot use it into any kind of website. So I have to show it here on the top of my menu bar. So just go to the extension option. Here you can see at the menu bar, you can click here and you can pin your LastPass extension on your bar. So here I will click on LastPass, so you can enter your login details here. Same, I will enter mine, and I will enter my master password, and I will click on login. For the first time you have to just enter your LastPass login, and then it will save, it will show, and it will save all the rest of the password that you will use for website or any kind of page or applications. So it will memorize it for you, so you don't need to bother about the username and password for several or millions of websites. Nowadays we can see a lot of website where we were asked to create account, and it is very difficult for us to memorize all the password, all the usernames for all the websites. So here is the solution that I was thinking from the long time to share with you. So whoever and wherever I have shared it with my friends, they are very happy and very thankful to me, because the life gets easier for them, and even for me also. I am using it from five years, I think so, and it has saved a lot of time for me, and it works a great memory box tool for me. So I hope it will work for you and you will enjoy it. Keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and other people around you to help them. Okay, stay tuned to my channel and see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.